Hello.
Hello.
Can you give me 2 pizzas and 1 of spaghettis?
Yes. It's serious. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. I can ask for directions. Excuse me, madam. I'm a little lost. Could you help me?
Sure. What can I do?
I'm looking for the theater. It's far?
Not far at all. Let me see your map. You are here right now. Go along Bacon Street for 2 blocks.
Great, thanks. Is there anything else that I should see?
Sure. Take a walk through all streets and shops. Park of T-Rex is nice too.
I think I know what it is. Close to the swimming pool.
Right, and be sure you walk along the river. You will find that is very beautiful.
Thanks for your help, for all your help. This city seems like a really friendly place. Everyone is so nice.
Well, I'm glad you think so.
Okay, bye, and thank you again for your help.
Bye. Is it far? Not far at all. Let me see your map. You are here right now. Go along Bacon Street for 2 blocks and the theater is on your left.
Ok. Espera, seguime. Quítate. Aquí pares, ¿vale? Espera, que se lo...
M'estava gravant a mi mateix.
Pues ets tonto perquè no tens que estar-te gravant a tu.